I'm going to show you how to change a battery on an Audi advanced key. These keys started in 2017 for pretty much all models. I think more prominently in 2018 and beyond. What you'll need is a CR2032 battery, 3 volt, very cheap. You can pretty much find them anywhere. I left the link in the video. All right, this is fairly straightforward. You just need these 2 buttons. I like starting upside down because the battery goes upside down. You'll need to hold these 2 buttons and just pull it out. That takes the key out. If your key is fairly new or rarely used, this gets annoying, but you'll need to hold the same 2 buttons. You'll see the teeth go in, and once you do that, you just need to jiggle a bit and it comes out. All right, so positive sign, upside down. Hold the buttons in again, just so that it just goes in really smoothly in there. Make sure it doesn't come out, you're good. And that's it. That is how you change